Alright, holy smokes, that just happened. As you can see, my knife and my wallet are down on the ground, along with my skill saw that you'll see I jammed that putty knife into as I'm skill sawing this up. And that just happened because I hooked the skill saw on my leg. Fortunately, it does not appear that any blood has been drawn. Yeah, you're not actually seeing my leg. Talk about near misses, holy smokes. Well, I have to give an endorsement to the makers of the Diablo skill saw blades. You can kind of check that out. I've still got parts of my jeans and an impromptu pocket dump, as I've seen on YouTube. Yep, my old crappy wallet and my pocket knife, which again will not be going back into that pocket. I guess I'll put that in my back pocket for right now. All right, back to it. All right, hello and good morning. So today's adventure had started yesterday, and I'll talk to you a little bit about that and some YouTube stuff I was watching. Are we in four-wheel drive? We are not. There we are. Now we are. And it snowed a little bit. So we're moving this out. We're going to bring the Jeep CJ, my new build, in a couple weeks. That'll go. Yay! Here we are, getting this fender pushed back into shape. You can see right there, backing that guy up. And what I've done is pinned some wood. I don't know if you can see that or not. Got some cedar, which is pretty soft, up underneath that fender. And we're kind of beating her into submission. Again, likely we're just going to wind up buying a different fender, because this thing has definitely had it. It'll be fun to work on for today. And I've got the template right over there for what it's supposed to be looking like. So you can see it's kind of drawn down here by the core support. So anyway, I'll bring you back when there's something to report. Part of the problem with this project is that it's too dang fun to drive this thing around to ever work on it. This has got to be my funnest car to drive. This thing is just a blast. Let's see if that camera stays on here. the neighbors. I don't think I'm in four-wheel drive. Let's test it out. We're gonna go down this little dirt road here. Here we go. That's the thing. Right now is the perfect reason to own this Jeep. You just put it down in granny low here, and it just idles along. Head back to the shop. Live in the Pacific Northwest. I highly recommend having a garage or a shop or a shed or something. I gotta tell you, the biggest game changer of me living up here is the fact I got a place to park the car where I can just come out and it's not covered and it's not wet and, well, in this case, snowy. Get this guy pulled in here a little bit. Hopefully that's far enough. Ah, he won't come out. Got my high security key storage there. And got my little camera here. Oh, perfect. Just enough room to maneuver around. Let's get the door shut. Got that shut up. All right, I think I'm going to enjoy the fire for a minute. We'll see how this. It's been super fun afternoon in the shop. Oh, you can see some of that. Burning some old timber, which is in good supply around here. Still not that hot. Oof. Anyway, I'm going to spend the afternoon putzing around here in the shop. Probably not taking a lot of video. Thought I'd bust out the CJ-5 for a few minutes. I beat on the fender without great success. And what else did I do? Did on my Mike Glover diatribe. But if you stuck around for this video, I do appreciate you watching. It's been, as always, it's been fun to make. Look forward to big things in 2023. Happy New Year. I hope you're well. Hope you have a great week. I about cut my leg off yesterday, ruined one of my favorite pairs of Levi's, so I guess I'll be going back to Goodwill to get some new Levi's. But I would highly recommend, if you're sawing up, say, firewood out of old scraps and you're using a skill saw like I was, that you don't jam the blade guard open with a putty knife, because it didn't work out well. So, like I said, just about sent myself to the hospital, which wouldn't have been the first time. You'd think I would have learned. I whacked myself a couple years ago with a chainsaw.